Welcome to another video on this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Coinbase using mobile money. Now, it doesn't matter whether your account is being verified or not. And talking about verification, if your account is being verified or not, you can still have access to Bitcoin, or you can buy Bitcoin and sell Bitcoin. Now, the reason why verification is very important is due to your safety. So let's say you want to swap Bitcoin, or you want to do a P2P transfer, or maybe you want to trade Bitcoin, or maybe stake Bitcoin and co. This is where you need verification. But apart from that, if you just want to sell and buy Bitcoin, you can go ahead and do this without any verification on the Coinbase platform. All right, and this is what I'm coming to show you on this channel. All right, so guys, at this point, I believe you already have your Coinbase wallet. Now, if you don't have your Coinbase wallet, please take a critical look at this before you download your wallet on the Play Store, so you don't download a fake wallet and get scammed. So if possible, I'll leave the link to this in the description below so you can easily get access to it. All right, so the first thing to do is to open your app. So once you open your app, it's going to bring you to this page. And once you come to this page, go straight to the three icons here, the menu bar. Tap on that and go straight to pay. All right, so once you go to pay, it's going to bring you here. So check the down here. The down here, you are going to see receive and send. So the first one here, which is the receive, simply means you want to receive Bitcoin. So this means you are buying Bitcoin. And this one here, send, simply means you are selling Bitcoin, or you want to send Bitcoin. So first of all, let's deal with receive. So I want to receive Bitcoin. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'll tap on the receive. All right, so after tapping on the receive, this is where you come. So you can share your address by tapping here, or you can easily copy the address here. So what I'm going to do now is to copy this address. Now, because we don't accept Bitcoin is not legal in Ghana here, what you have to do is to buy the Bitcoin from a third party, and that third party will also send it to your wallet here. So let's go straight to the home page again, and the exchanger or the third party I'm going to use now is payplux. I like payplux because it's simple and it's very fast to use. So over here, they sell perfect money and they also sell Bitcoin. So because I'm interested in Bitcoin and I want to buy Bitcoin, I'm going to tap here and buy Bitcoin. And the prices you see here simply means for payplux, if you want to buy Bitcoin, they are selling Bitcoin. $1 is equal to 6 cedis 75 pesos. And here, if you want to sell Bitcoin, payplux will buy it at the rate of 6 cedis 40 pesos per dollar. I hope that does not confuse you. So let's go straight forward, or let's focus on what we are doing. So I'm tapping here to buy Bitcoin. So I have to input the address here, the address that I've copied from payplux. Remember, the address that I've copied here, I have to paste it here. And this video will be very helpful for total beginners, or those who are buying Bitcoin for the first time using payplux. If you're a master already, you can also add your contribution in the description below. All right, so now I have to enter my amount. So let's say I want to buy 300 cedis Bitcoin. Then I'll come down here. Let me make it clear. All right, so I'll come down here and choose minus fee. So minus fee this is what helped them to process the Bitcoin. You've always, if you are into Bitcoin, you've always been hearing about miners. So those are the people who mine Bitcoin. So they will help the Bitcoin to process. So at this very juncture, I'm going to tick an amount which is $0.07. So this is what I'm going to pay for. This is what I'm going to pay for the in order to help for them to help me get my Bitcoin. So I'll click on continue. So I have to input the amount first. Amount is 300. All right. So okay, so remember, this is the pay platform that I'm still at. So after I click on the continue, they'll show me the amount that I'm supposed to pay to this platform on my mobile money. So here they'll charge me 5 cedis 87 pesos. So the 5 cedis 87 pesos is the same as the minus fee. All right, so now I have to make a total payment of 305.87 cedis. So I have to go ahead and buy Bitcoin. So I'll click here to buy the Bitcoin. I've accepted it. So all right, so I have to use mobile money. Okay, so over here, remember we are still on the payplux platform. So over here, payplux will give you the number to which you have to send the money to and the name that will appear. So this is it. This is the name of the mobile money account that you have to send your money to. So let's assume that I've sent the payment to payplux. I'm going to click here and say I have made payment. All right, so at this point I told them I've made payments, and they've given me the chance or an option where I can provide my transaction ID. You see, if you send mobile money, they will tell you to show that you've made payment. They'll send you an ID, your transaction ID. If your SMS pops up, your transaction ID will be there, and that's very important over here. So you have to input the transaction ID here. So let's say my transaction ID is 233324, transaction ID. They automatically put the amount over here, so there's no need looking for the amount, and the date is also here. So if I were to really do the payment or transfer the mobile money to the people, I'll put my real transaction ID here and then click on submit. So after clicking on the submit, that's all. You are done with payplux. So payplux will send you the money within 5 minutes. So what I mean is the payplux will send you the Bitcoin within 5 minutes. Now I didn't send the money, so they cannot send any money into my account. So look at what popped up. They said we will notify you when the payment is confirmed. This process may take up to 5 minutes. So that's it. I've not made any payment, and I'm risking this particular account for the purpose of this video, and payplux, I think they'll punish me for that. All right, so now it's done. So what you need to do is to go back to your Coinbase wallet to see if you've received your Bitcoin. So it's not difficult at all. So remember, we are still in the buying process. Okay, so if you receive your Bitcoin, it will show up right here. So let's say I clicked on Bitcoin here. Okay, so I've clicked on Bitcoin here. So if I were to buy the 300 cedis, it will show up over here, and that will be it. If you've not received your money within five minutes, you can contact them. But payplux is a trustworthy platform. I really bought Bitcoin from them severally, and then I made some profit and sold it back to do something else. So they are trustworthy. And but you have to know that buying Bitcoin is full of risks, so you have to invest what you can afford to lose. All right, so on the other hand, let's see you want to sell Bitcoin. Okay, so the first one was we buying Bitcoin, so it's the same procedure. This one is it's going to be a little bit fast. So what we have to do now is to go to the tree icon here and click on pay. So you click on pay and click on send, because you want to sell Bitcoin. Okay, so you are now going to send Bitcoin to payplux. And how will you do that? So you click on send. So you click on send and then you enter the amount you want to send. So let's say again you want to send 300 cedis Bitcoin, or you are selling 300 cedis Bitcoin. So you input the 300 cedis there. Now continue. Okay, so right now I can continue right now because the amount I have in my account is very little to do that transaction. So let's say I just want to send 3 cedis of Bitcoin. Okay, because I don't have enough money in my Coinbase wallet to do the real transaction. So now I'm sending 3 cedis. So let's see. Okay, so now that I'm sending the 3 cedis, they've provided an address. Sorry, here is a space where you can input the address or the account to which you are sending your Bitcoin, because you have to send it to the other platform, which is the third-party platform, and for them they will convert it into cash for you. So I'm going to paste the link over here. But how will I get the link? Okay, so this time around I have to let them understand that I'm selling Bitcoin. So the first one I bought, now I'm selling. So I'm going to click here to sell and then enter the amount I want to receive. And remember, over there I've placed 3 cedis. Okay, but right now if I input 3 cedis here, payplux is not going to allow. So remember, anytime you want to withdraw Bitcoin and you input, let's say 300 cedis on the Coinbase app, be sure to input that same 300 cedis here, or you can send more than 300 cedis on the Coinbase app, so that over here, if any charge applies, you will be able to withdraw your money successfully. So here, let's assume it's 300 cedis, and then I'll click on proceed. And how do I want to receive my payment? So here is it. How do you want to receive your payment? Is mobile money. If you want it in the bank too, the payplux will pay you in your bank account. So, or if you want to do a pickup, they will still assist you to do the pickup for the cash. Right now I'm using mobile money, so mobile money, and then select network. So I'll select MTN, select MoMo account type. So I'm a subscriber, I'm not a merchant. So we have merchant and subscriber. So whichever one you are, then you choose it. So I'm a subscriber. And then I have to input my mobile number. So okay, then I have to enter my full name. So let's say okay, so now I've entered my full name. I have to continue here. All right, so once you've come to this page, what it means is that you are ready. They'll give you all the details over here. So you will receive 300 cedis. You will receive 300 cedis at 4 cedis. You will receive 300 cedis at 6 cedis 40 pesos per US dollar, as I explained first. So there's no need to go over this, and they'll also give you your details here, your account type, your name, and your number will fully be displayed here. So right now all you have to do is to click on sell Bitcoin. Once you've seen that all these ones are correct, so what payplux is going to do, payplux has given me their wallet, so I have to just click here to copy the payplux wallet and go back to the Coinbase. So remember, I have to input the payplux wallet here, then Bitcoin or Coinbase will send the Bitcoin to payplux. Then from there, payplux can send the physical money into my mobile money wallet. So I'm going to paste it here. Alright, so I'm pasting it here. So this simply means that I am set to go. Now over here, I don't know, I think we are not going to, the payplux will not allow me to do some recordings. The app will not allow you to screenshot some parts of their app or do some recording for their app. So that's it for now. So after that, you just click on proceed, and there you go. Alright, so guys, we've come to the end of this video, and I believe this video helped someone. If this video has been helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos, you'll be one of the first people to get a notification. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.